Craig Tucker, Lydney Pallets and Cases, and factory supervisor. The company has been going for 30 years. We produce obviously pallets, cases, wooden frames, basically anything that's wooden. We're able to produce things quickly. People rely on us. Our suppliers give us good timber, so it's quick and easy for us to get it in and out. Cutting our pallet lengths to size. We did look around, but that one was affordable and reliable. And that's the main thing that we need, reliability. Yeah, very easy, but we've had the few issues that we did have, we've been able to ring them in, they've sorted it out. Yeah, they were very good when they installed it. Two chaps that came were excellent.